If you haven't heard already, Fancii just released their newest lifting massage wand called Remi. Remi has 30 small germanium stones that stimulate blood and collagen circulation while improving your skin's texture and elasticity on your face, neck, and body. Yep, you heard it right, body. Germanium is known to attract harmful positive ions present in the skin. Its balancing capabilities renews oxygen into the skin cells, resulting in a brighter and youthful complexion. The hexagonal shape at the top of Remi is amazing for gently massaging around the eyes and brows too. It's stellar at maintaining a non-surgical facelift, all while it promotes healthy drainage of the lymphatic system too. Not only does this magic skincare wand help reduce and combat annoying puffiness, tension headaches, and nausea thanks to its 100% Brazilian rose quartz stone mini gua sha. Seriously, if you want to step your skincare game up a million notches, you need to have Remi in your life. It gives me an invigorating massage that grants visible results just after 3 minutes.